Are you looking for the best RV air conditioners? In this video, we will break down the top 4 RV air conditioners on the market.
VideoWiki is a product review database in video format. Here we're a group of product research where we test, analyze, and research trending products. Our goal is to create a list of top picks with buying guides for every category based on the product's features, quality, price, and user feedback. If you choose from our list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available today. Make sure to check the products link down below in the description. And please like the video and subscribe to our channel to get more product reviews regularly.
At number 1. Dometic Brisk. Dometic Brisk 2 is the quintessential RV air conditioner. It's pretty much perfect in all the right ways. Has perfect 15,000 BTU/HR cooling output. Adequate and appropriate for all RV sizes. Reliable. It's made by Dometic, probably the best RV air conditioner producer with a successful 20-year track record for reliability. It's lightweight. Dometic Brisk 2 weighs less than 100 pounds, 85 pounds to be exact. Dometic is one of the best-known Swedish companies. What is IKEA for affordable furniture, Dometic is for RV air conditioners. The Brisk 2, model B59516.XX1C0, is their top-of-the-line flagship model. It has a characteristic Scandinavian minimalistic design and is available in polar white as well as in black color. Dometic Brisk 2 is well engineered. You can see that improvement in high maximum airflow and overall best performance. The Brisk 2 also includes the dampening brackets that reduce noise levels and vibrations this 15,000 BTU RV air conditioner produces. At number 2. Furrion FACR14SA-PS RV. If reducing noise output is your biggest priority, you should check out the Furrion FACR14SA-BL RV Rooftop AC, which is our choice for the best quiet and vibration-resistant air conditioner for RVs. This is one of the few RV AC units out there with vibration-smart technology. This technology protects the AC unit's internal components from damage caused by excessive vibrations. But it also reduces the overall noise output of the unit when it's operating because it minimizes vibrations overall. This quiet RV AC unit also includes Furrion's patented climate-smart technology, which allows it to operate efficiently in more extreme climates. And it's also 40% more energy efficient than other leading single-fan models. The Furrion Chill has a 14,500 BTU rating, which means it's designed to sufficiently cool spaces up to 725 square feet. And this is a full-height rooftop AC unit, which is another reason why it produces less than 80 decibels of noise output. At number 3. Airxcel Mach 15 AC. The Airxcel Mach 15 is a duct system RV air conditioner, which has many different features that I adore. For instance, it has a BTU rating of 15,000 that I explained in the previous is a necessity for me, given the areas I plan on RVing. Additionally, the 1.3 HP fan motor is an inclusion that adds a certain level of uniqueness to this product. See, it creates the most significant CFM, cubic feet per minute, rate of airflow at 320 CFM of an RV air conditioner on the market. And if you don't why that's important, well, it means it spreads the air faster than any other RV air conditioner in existence. Pretty cool, right? Therefore, with this product, you're guaranteed results a lot of similar air conditioners can't touch. Ironically, even with this unique addition, this product doesn't adventure into the price of what I'd call expensive for an RV air conditioner. Airxcel also found a way to add in the inclusion of electric heat capabilities. Therefore, if you're around RVer, there's no reason this RV air conditioner shouldn't be on the top of your list. I mean, it covers every base an RV owner could want and even add in a couple of features we didn't realize we wanted. At number 4. ASA Electronics ACM135 Advent. When it comes to our top pick for the best overall RV air conditioner, it's got to be the ASA Electronics ACM135 Advent Air RV air conditioner. It's a 13,500 BTU unit capable of effectively and quickly cooling even large RVs. Manufactured to be durable, this rooftop air conditioner is designed to withstand some of the harshest elements, from direct sunlight to driving rain and wind. It also features a rigid, all-metal construction base pan. This unit also fits ideally with most standard 14.25x 14.25-inch vent openings, making it a versatile choice for a wide range of RVs. There have been a few customer complaints about the overall cooling capability, but these issues have been limited to just a selection of units. Our advice would be to try it out immediately upon arrival so you can troubleshoot any issues early on.